kids, and welcome back to Grandma's house. Today we're going to learn about tractor safety. Oh, here's my big book of lessons. Here we go. Hi, Pa. Can I play with the tractor?
Hi, Justin. You can't play with the tractor until you learn a few rules first.
Okay.
First, you have to always make sure you never touch a tractor engine if it's been running. It'll be hot.
Okay. He'll never know if I touch it. Hee 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 hee. Ew!
Number 2, never sit on the fender. You can fall off and get hurt.
Okay. He'll never know if I sit up here. I'll be careful. Ah! Ow!
Next, son, don't ever stand in front of a moving tractor.
Okay, Pa. Oh, that tractor's not going to hit me. It's not getting very close. Well, uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Ow!
I'm sorry, son, but if you're not 16, you shouldn't drive without adult supervision. You could crash.
Okay, I won't. He'll never know if I drive. I'll be real careful. Uh-oh, crash. Maybe he won't notice. Ow. Well, Pa, I will always be safe now. I won't touch a hot engine, won't sit on a fender, and I won't stand in front of a moving tractor, and I will always have adult supervision.
Well, I'm glad you learned your lesson, son. That's all I can really ask for.
Thanks, Dad. Look at me go. I'm going so well. Oh, wasn't that exciting, boys and girls? Make sure you come back next week to visit Grandma's house. Always learn your lesson. Bye-bye for now.